Let's do some of our calls of the day. We alluded to it a little bit earlier when Jenny had mentioned JetBlue. I said it was downgraded. That comes from Cowen today to market perform. Jenny from outperform. Target to $9.
Yeah.
$7, less than $7 stock now.
Man, that's a pretty nice upside, isn't it? $7 to $9?
If you think it's going there.
I think it is.
Why?
I think what a lot of people are missing is how much jet fuel price. Okay, first of all, getting back to Josh's recession's coming. I don't think it is on airline travel. I think there's tremendous pent-up demand. I know I'm traveling professionally as much as I am personally, so I don't think that really slows. So I think earnings hold up on that. But jet fuel's down like 21% in the last month, and I think that that's not accounted for, and I think that that really could push and promote margins as people pay more attention to it. Also, it's just stupid cheap.
Well, maybe it's cheap for a reason.
Well, 6 times? What are you going to do, go bankrupt from there?
I'm not suggesting that. But I mean, if travel's been so great, if all the seats are full, and if fuel prices are down like they are, why is it down 50% year to date?
Well, I think there was a lot of overhang over the Spirit merger, and people really hated that. I think there's a lack of belief that the earnings are really coming back. I think that they need to actually start to deliver, and I think they're delivering 60 cents in 23, $1.72 is what's expected in 24. And so we've kind of been beaten up as a society, and I think we need to see the numbers actually delivered before we're willing to step up and buy things.
You just maybe, you know, the travel and leisure.
The stock is is at a 20-year low. I'm sorry.
Are you a buyer?
This stock came public this stock came public in 2002, April of 02, at like $13 a share. It's half the price of its IPO after 2 decades. This will never be a good business.
But Josh, there's no significance in that. Like, you always need to take your starting point as today. So who cares that it was $13 once upon a time? Just like I don't care that Peloton was $178 once upon a time.
You're such a good investor.
What I care about now,
you're such a good investor. I can't believe you would even have this like on your radar.
Josh, but that's the thing, like, it's not, okay, and historically we haven't bought airlines, but sometimes the math is just there, right? And the math is just here. Which
is this for the appetizer? I mean, what do you start with if you're having a burger?
I don't know.
The side salad? What do you do?
You know what I think?
Shrimp cocktail?
I think Josh is trying to get me to treat him to a trip to Disney World.
Shrimp cocktail. They do have a good shrimp cocktail there. Shrimp cocktail, then the cheeseburger. That's on the table. I just added that. I'm the judge. I can do that.
What's your price target on JetBlue?
Real quick, and I got to take
where do you think it's going?
15, 16. I think it could easily be 15, 16 in a couple years. And when it moves, and we all know this, when these move, they move so fast that you've missed the boat if you're not early.
I don't want to wait that long for this lunch. I'm coming.